Earn money with these 7 easy typing jobs online. Would you like to make some money by typing on your computer? If so, I'd like to share with you 7 online typing jobs that require little to no skills, and you can start immediately in any of these typing jobs. Again, no skills or experience are required. All you have to invest is your time and effort in making extra income. Let's get into it right away. Our first website is ModSquad, accessible at modsquad.com. This website offers content moderation services, which involve ensuring that online posts are appropriate for all viewers. As a content moderator, you will be responsible for identifying and flagging comments that are potentially harmful or unsuitable for publication, such as those containing offensive languages or inappropriate content. This helps to ensure a safe and positive online experience for all users. In addition to flagging inappropriate content, you may also need to verify the accuracy of user-generated content to ensure that it's not spam. You need to make sure that no one is spreading fake news or false information that may cause panic, fear, or anxiety among online users. This could mean that you're going to do a range of tasks such as managing forum posts, reviewing chat logs on platforms like Discord, or providing customer support. To learn more about the various services offered by ModSquad, you can visit their website and click on the Apply Today button located at the middle of the page. According to job listings on Indeed, community associates can earn an average hourly wage ranging from $10 to $19.10. Our next set of websites fall under the same category, and you can earn money in a similar way on each of them. These websites offer money-making opportunities to participate in focus groups. As you know, researchers worldwide are seeking input from everyday people like us to gather feedback on various products, services, or scientific studies. The good news is that you can participate in these interviews without having to meet with an interviewer in person. Instead, you can complete the interview digitally online and type up your responses to the questions asked. The first website is Rakuten Insights, and you can sign up by clicking on any of the buttons provided on the page or the sign up button. For Pinecone Research, you can sign up by providing your information and clicking the Sign Up Now button. Finally, for the Try Products website, you'll only need to provide your name and email address and click Sign Up to join focus groups and review products by typing up your feedback. All the necessary links can be found in the website descriptions. Visit each of their websites to learn more about them and how you can be part of their focus groups. Another website that allows you to earn money by typing on your keyboard is TextRoyal, accessible at textroyal.com. Here, you can participate in general freelance writing gigs, such as writing articles for websites, creating social media posts, and even writing academic papers and essays for clients. A TextRoyal website can be confusing when it comes to finding the application to become a writer, so you better navigate around their website first to read important matters when applying there. One important thing to remember about this side hustle is that writers are paid per word, and the pay rate can go up to 3 cents per word. However, writers start at a lower pay rate of 1 cent per word and must maintain a good score with the company for several projects before they can work on higher paying projects. Therefore, it's essential to be consistent and produce quality work to advance to higher paying projects. The following side hustle that's highly recommended is LifePoints, which can be accessed on the LifePoints panel. The great thing about this is that it has an app that can be installed on both Android and iOS devices. This side hustle is similar to the focus group websites I mentioned earlier, but what sets it apart is that it's specifically designed as an app, which allows you to participate in surveys and earn money while on the go. This means that you don't need to be tied to your computer and can complete surveys comfortably from your couch or anywhere else. This app can be found on the Google Play Store and has been downloaded 1 million times with a rating of 4.4 stars. You can also apply directly on the website. According to their website, you can cash out through PayPal or Amazon gift cards, and people on Trustpilot also seem to like this company. If you're interested in this one, check it out right away. Here's another opportunity for an online typing job that you can do from home, and it's called Axion Data at axiondata.com. With Axion Data, you'll be doing data entry tasks using your keyboard to input data, and the tasks can vary. Axion Data is a good option for this type of work. Axion Data is a company that offers data entry services to other businesses, and if you want to do this type of work, check out their website and look for the employment section. There, you can find information about the work you'll be doing as an independent contractor, which allows for flexible work and self-employment while still receiving payment from the company. The website also offers information specifying that the payment for the work done with this platform is a fixed amount for each document or entry. This implies that the payment is based on the outcome, and the faster the work is done, the more money one can earn. This side hustle that you can do from the comfort of your own home is an exciting one that has the potential to earn you thousands of dollars per month. Applying to be a winged virtual assistant at wingassistant.com can be a good way to start earning extra income. Essentially, you'll be working as a virtual assistant online for other people or businesses, and Wing Assistant acts as the intermediary connecting you with those who need your services. This is similar to Axion Data, where they provide data entry services to other companies. This type of side hustle offers more than just typing tasks or emailing. Along with typing, you may be required to make phone calls or organize travel plans. The job requires more skills than just basic typing and email responses. On the website, you can see the fees charged to clients for hiring an assistant, ranging from $499 to $1,699 per month if they want to have 2 full-time assistants. As a part-time or full-time employee, your pay will depend on how much work you take on, and it's likely to fall somewhere between these two amounts. By taking on multiple clients, you have the potential to earn a few $1,000s per month by helping them with their daily tasks and typing. Check out their website and read all about their job and how you can apply. This job is open to all people worldwide. They accept applicants from various countries, such as the Philippines, India, Mexico, and the United States, regardless of their background. So give this one a try, especially if you're knowledgeable about office jobs. The last side hustle I want to talk about is MyPoints. This one is similar to LifePoints, but what sets it apart is that they offer a generous sign-up bonus of a $10 gift card when you confirm your account. This is one of the largest sign-up bonuses I've seen on these type of websites. MyPoints is another website where you can earn points by completing surveys and questionnaires, just like with LifePoints. Once you accumulate enough points, you can exchange them for rewards. They have a mobile app, but personally, I recommend using their website instead. You can sign up for MyPoints on their website, so you better check it out. And they even offer a $10 welcome bonus when you sign up and confirm your account, which you can redeem for a $10 Amazon or Visa gift card. If you're interested, visit their website and learn more about the job. Now, all these websites are worth checking out, and they're accessible and straightforward. You can even apply to more than one of these websites to maximize your income. If you want, you can do all these 7 side hustles, especially if you're still looking for a full-time job. Even if they're easy to do because they basically involve typing and data entry, you'll still need to invest time and effort. You'll still need to show that you're dedicated and persistent in earning money. One important thing I can suggest is that you use the money you're earning from these side hustles to invest in yourself. If you've been interested in web design, you can enroll in online courses to make yourself more valuable. If you want to have a business, you can use the money to start an online business like affiliate marketing. There are endless money-making opportunities online, and it's always up to you if you're ready to take on the challenge. I hope this video is a great help, especially for everyone who's looking for ways to earn extra income. Thank you for watching, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video, and have a great day. See you soon!